I'm like, hi guys, welcome to videos. So today it's actually Bonfire night, so we're watching all of these bonfires going on. So Blake's gonna hold the camera and I'm gonna try and I'm gonna unlock the lock this because we just do it just in case.
And as you can see,
over there, guys, is my house. It's over there where Blake's pointing the camera. Over there, my house is.
see the big light on? That's the house.
Do you see that thing shoot up in the air?
Yeah. Oh, fireworks! I got on record. I'll get on record. Okay, now I'm gonna make sure we can't drop.
See, guys, you can see it.
It's not that cold.
No.
So guys, if you live in England and it's like we have a lot of like bonfires. Ooh, where was that? Oh,
There's one there.
they're loud ones.
So you keep an eye out over there. I'll keep an eye over here. That one was good over there. I can hear someone shooting up. It's probably around. So guys, down there in the corner, there's this little thing, and you can. There you go, guys. So I'm coming up right now. You can go over there, and they're doing a bonfire night.
No, that's Jay's. Jay's always has a lot of fireworks.
It might be. Yes, Jay's. There's another one going up, guys.
That's Jay's. We went there last year for fireworks.
Yeah, no, 2 years ago we went to my dad's friend's Jay, and he did like a fireworks display in that. Right, guys, I know this is not gonna be long, but like we can't video this all day, so that's all that's gonna be tonight. Bye.